This is no traffic helicopter. It's an Apache, a machine designed and built for one purpose: to seek out and destroy enemy forces. It's a tank killer, and it's one of the fastest and stealthiest attack helicopters in the world. End of the Vietnam War, the U.S. Army knows it needs a new concept in a flying machine: the attack helicopter. One specifically designed to carry weapons. A machine that can surprise the enemy by flying day and night, in all weather conditions, and tough enough to withstand enemy fire. But the first job of an attack helicopter is to attack. And workers at Mesa are about to give this chopper its sting. The U.S. Army's Apache helicopter has 3 primary weapon systems: Hellfire missiles that can pierce tank armor 5 centimeters thick from 8 kilometers away. Hydra rocket pods that each fire 19 rockets. And when pilots have to take on targets that are closer, a Bushmaster machine gun.
This is the Bushmaster 30mm chain gun. Big bullet. Gun mounts upside down.
This weapon is lethal up to nearly 1.5 kilometers away. The machine gun can unleash 1,200 rounds of ammunition. Its rate of fire, over 600 rounds a minute.
Per trigger, you can either shoot 10 round, 20 round, 50, 100, or empty the magazine of everything that's got it in one pull of the trigger. I'd say 90% of the time they're selected to all. I think these guys want the option of either letting everything loose or just pick and choose as they want.
Technicians mount the gun on the Apache's underbelly. Then they connect it to infrared sensors and special cameras that feed information to the pilots. The latest Apache gets an even more powerful tool: the longbow radar. Over the battlefield, this radar scans 360 degrees for objects in the air and 270 degrees for objects on the ground. The longbow analyzes if what's out there is a tank, a truck, or a plane, even whether it's friendly or not, by comparing the radar information to its database.
It's very important at night, extremely important that you get a very good target handover of where the target is and where the friendly location is, so you're not attacking the wrong people.
Because this dome sits high on top of the Apache can go undercover, hiding out of sight while it's scanning to see who's out there. The Apache can fire its missiles and make a quick getaway before the enemy even knows it's there. At Mesa, the 160 workers on the line know they've done their job and produced another Apache that's combat ready. And one of the meanest helicopters on the planet.